Well, the political toxicity aside, it is the toxic air in Delhi NCR that we are all forced to breathe presently. It's been days now. Air quality levels have also dipped to severe category, and there's a widespread alarm that is rising over the impact of this air pollution. I must add here, my throat, you must have guessed, the voice also going down. It's all because of the kind of air that we are breathing here, and many of people around us reporting similar respiratory concerns. Now, there have been, by the Delhi government, a pollution curb to the GRAP 3 level. This includes shutting primary schools in Delhi until the 5th standard, banning entry of commercial vehicles into NCR region, and a complete halt of any construction work or demolition activities with regard to the dust it generates. But that means basically a stop of non-essential mining activities too. You will now see possibly more increased sprinkling of water on major streets. While the temporary ban on activities has triggered a political slugfest as always, like we have seen in the past few years, BJP is claiming Aam Aadmi Party government has ignored pollution crisis during the tenure, and just tightening pollution norms is a temporary measure. Why shouldn't there have been a more permanent solution on this?
हैदराबाद और एनसीआर में नोएडा में प्रदूषण पर हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं और बेहतर स्थिति के लिए हम जो भी करना होगा। हैदराबाद और एनसीआर में नोएडा में प्रदूषण पर हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं और बेहतर स्थिति के लिए हम जो भी करना होगा।
Let's take a look at this report about what Delhi NCR basically is looking like right now and how people are feeling living here.
Delhi NCR is once again blanketed in thick smog, leaving residents gasping. As the city battles severe air pollution, the Delhi government has brought in strict measures like curbing construction activities. But among the biggest contributors to hazardous air is vehicular pollution, and that is going unchecked in several parts of Delhi NCR. India Today's special investigation team has uncovered a troubling loophole of fake pollution certificates that could be worsening the capital's pollution problem. Our investigation began with a visit to Noida Sector 20 police station, where we identified several vehicles that had been impounded for traffic violations. Among them, a vehicle that had been unused for over a year and a half was chosen. The SIT then visited PUC centres across Delhi, Noida and Ghaziabad to test whether certificates could be issued without physical inspections. At a PUC centre in Noida's Sector 95, staff member Narendra offered to issue a certificate for 200 rupees without even checking the vehicle. Narendra revealed he often sources certificates from other centres like Haryana to avoid legal scrutiny.
हाँ हो गया तो जो ऑनलाइन होते हैं ये तो कहाँ से मंगाते आप? दूसरे पुलिस कहाँ से?
Next, we visited a PUC centre at a petrol pump in Delhi's Kapasheda. Staff member Sandeep initially hesitated to issue a certificate without the vehicle being physically present. However, after some persuasion, he relented and issued a certificate for 150 rupees, adding an extra 50 rupees for the photo submission.
गाड़ी है भी है क्या ना, गाड़ी दिल्ली में बहुत दिन से खड़ी है।
दिल्ली में तो कोई भी नहीं।
यार पहले बनाए तो मेरा
पहले की बात छोड़ो,
हाँ
अब करंट की जो होता है वो बनती है, वीडियो वगैरह बनती है।
जो रेट पर तुम्हारा वही चल रहा है।
तो 150 पर रेट तो है ही है, वैसे भी भाई फोटो से बनवाए तो 50 रुपये हो लगेंगे तुम्हारे,
तुम 200 रुपये। ठीक है, ठीक।
Our final stop took us to Ghaziabad's Lal Kuan area, where the staff assured the certificate's authenticity and even provided an online verification option.
एक पॉल्यूशन कराना यार। गाड़ी दिल्ली गैरेज में खड़ी है यार। गैरेज में खड़ी है, बनने के लिए गया हुआ। बहुत दिन से गाड़ी खड़ी थी, निकलवाया कल ही।
सही हो रही है, चल रही है?
हाँ, बहुत दिन से खड़ी थी, सर्विस में गई हुई है। ओरिजिनल तो बना के देगा ना भाई?
हाँ, ऑनलाइन बनता है।
हाँ,
ऑनलाइन ही बनता है।
ठीक।
Delhi's fight against pollution is being sabotaged from within. The unchecked distribution of cash for certificates is undermining the government's efforts to combat pollution. With Arvind Ojha in New Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.